little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 13, that is buildings in the community. So in this chapter, we will study about some buildings that we found near our community. So we live together in a community, the school, hospital, police station, post office, bank and panchayat ghar. These are the main buildings in the community. ये सारी क्या होती है, कुछ मेन buildings होती है हमारी community में and they play a very important role in our life. और एक बहुत important role भी play करते हैं हमारी life में. So first is school. So this is a school building and the principal and 15 teachers and there are 13 rooms. It has a staff room for the teachers, laboratory for customer, chemistry, biology and physics, sports room, computer room and big library. We learn many different subjects and new things about the world. We play during games period in our playground. We all have right to education and study. So school is very important building in our community. सबसे important building है school. रोल क्या होता है स्कूल का? स्कूल क्या करता है? एजुकेट करता है चिल्ड्रन को, उनको लिटरेट बनाता है, राइट? A school teaches the children's punctuality and discipline. A school provides well-disciplined citizens to the community. And what school makes the children aware of the problem faced by the country. Now, primary health centers. So we go to primary health centers when we are ill. We go to doctor of the health centers and take treatment for the illness. We also get to learn about the rules of cleanliness, health, hygiene, good nutrition. If we properly follow these steps, we would fall ill. अगर आप properly इन steps को follow करोगे, आप बीमार नहीं होगे. And we have some health centers that also conduct free lectures for maintaining good health and caring. Next is hospital. देखो जब आप seriously ill होते हो, आप बहुत ज़्यादा बीमार होते हो, we are admitted to hospital. A hospital has many equipments and medicines for patients. So there are many rooms, beds, operation theaters, etc. to accommodate many patients at a time. आप एक ही time पे क्या करो? Different patients को accommodate करो. So there are many doctors for specialized consultation and services. Then we have police station. Police station क्या है? It's a landmark building of an area and the police is dressed up in a khaki uniform. They have very crucial role to play. ये law and order को maintain करते हैं, ये check रखते हैं theft पे and they look after the area and what they maintain discipline by arresting criminals. People can also report crimes, वो complaints भी कर सकते हैं. Now post office क्या है? It's an important buildings which helps us in communication and getting in touch with our friends and relatives. We post letter, cards, postcards into post box. Postman उसको collect करता है post को और वो post office में post लेके आता है and where these letters are stamped and sorted area wise. Then postman deliver them to doorsteps. We also send electronic money order जिसको हम EMO कहते हैं. Parcels, courier to fast delivery post office. और postmaster जो होता है वो head of the post office होता है and it looks after it functioning. उसकी functioning को भी देखता है. सबसे पहला postage stamp हमने यूज करा था ग्रेट ब्रिटेन 1840. Next is bank. It is another important building. We deposit our money and keep valuable things in a bank or safe deposit. The money we deposit increase after some time. कुछ टाइम बाद क्या होता है, money जो आप deposit कर रहे हो वो increase हो जाता है because the banks gives us interest on it. Banks क्या दे रहे हैं? Interest दे रहे हैं. We can also get loans from bank. People take loans to buy house, car or any other item. Businessmen और traders वो loan लेते हैं, expand करते हैं और start करते हैं business को. Right? In villages there are small cooperative banks जो work करते हैं banks की तरह. Next is पंचायत घर. If we talk about पंचायत घर, it is very important building जो आपको विलेज और स्मॉल टाउन्स में देखने को मिलती है. द पंचायत घर इज लाइक अ स्मॉल कोर्ट एंड गवर्निंग बॉडी. इसके हाउसेस में मेंबर्स होते हैं जिनको जो हेड होता है वो सरपंच होता है और 5 मेंबर की होती है ये एंड दे आर इलेक्टेड बाय वोटिंग बाय दोज हु आर अबव 80. देयर इज एटलीस्ट 1 वुमेन मेंबर इन द पंचायत. पंचायत क्या करती है? बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस करती है. पहला, ये डिस्प्यूट सेटल करती है बिटवीन द विलेजर्स, take cares by providing facilities, good agriculture output. It works in close association with other villages to keep the village clean. ये take care करती है supply clean water to all the parts of village. ये undertake करती है maintenance करती है important buildings जैसे school, primary health centers, roads and wells. Right? So this was all in this chapter. Now fastly we will revise, recall करेंगे हम जल्दी जो भी हमने इस chapter में पढ़ा है by doing the exercise. Like we post letter, cards, postcard in the post box. Next questions come. The school teaches the children punctuality and discipline both. Police is dressed up in a khaki uniform. We deposit our money and keep valuable things in a dash for safe deposit. कहाँ रखते हैं? बैंक में. When we are seriously ill, we are admitted to hospital. A hospital has many dash and dash for patients. Many doctors. Dash is the head of the post office. Postmaster. We go to the dash when we are ill. आप कहाँ जाते हैं? We go to the hospital. The bank gives dash on the money we deposit. क्या देता है बैंक? Interest. Dash is the head of पंचायत. कौन होता है? सरपंच. Now match the following. School. स्कूल में क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल रूम. हॉस्पिटल में कौन जाता है? सिक पीपल. पोस्ट ऑफिस, लेटर्स एंड पोस्ट कार्ड. पुलिस स्टेशन, थीव्स एंड क्रिमिनल. और बैंक में हम क्या करते हैं? मनी रखते हैं. नाउ राइट T for true and F for false statement. We send parcel and courier through police station. False. We learn good values and ethics in school. It's true. We get loans from the hospital. False. कहाँ से मिलते हैं लोन्स आपको? बैंक से. Hospital has many rooms, bed, medicines and operation theater. It's true. ग्राम पंचायत क्या सेटल करता है? Disputes between the villager. It's true. Next is answer the following question. What is the use of bank? बैंक का क्या यूज है? बैंक में हम मनी डिपॉजिट करते हैं to keep it safe. What do you learn in the school? Good values, ethics. Why do we need a primary health centers? क्योंकि बहुत सारे जो विलेज में लोग होते हैं वो इतना अफोर्ड नहीं कर पाते कि वो अपना हॉस्पिटल में ट्रीटमेंट करवाए, तो उनके लिए हमें प्राइमरी हेल्थ सेंटर्स बनाने. व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ पुलिस स्टेशन इन अ कम्युनिटी? और आपको दो इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस बताने हैं. किसके? पंचायत. राइट चिल्ड्रन? So this is all in this chapter. We have done with the exercise. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.